You can't say hi.
Good afternoon. Today we're going to go over the Scott's Writ Air Pack and what to do after a fire. So after a fire, we have to change out all the straps on these because they can get dirty. So they can get full of carcinogens. So each one of these came with a second air pack or a second set of straps that we can use. So when we get back to the fire, we tear this all apart, put the new one back on, and we're ready to go for the next call. The reason why we're doing this video today is to show you how to do it so you're competent and can do it in a quick amount of time. It's not a race, you don't have to do it fast, but you do want to get it done as quick as you can competently. So when you start off taking apart the air pack, first thing you want to make sure you do is actually loosen up the strap here. If you don't loosen up the strap, you pull this up, the bottle's not going to release. So if you have the bottle in here, the strap's like this, it's not, you won't be able to get it out. So you want to make sure that this is loose so you can get the bottle out. So the bottle comes out, you set that off to the side. And one of the nice things with the Scott Air Pack is it actually stands up on its own. So you can use it very easily when you're sitting on a table, just go. So you got a couple of buttons here that you can take off, pull it up. This button right here is called the directional button. If you try to go this way, it's not going to work. You actually have to go this way and it pops off real easily. So you can take that apart. You pull up on the top of the harness here, and this comes through like this. And you want to make sure you take this button also so that you can get it through. And it just pops through like this. After that's done, lift it up a little bit, turn, and you got the main part of the strap, the harness taken apart already actually. So you go from there. A lot of buttons in this. Let's open this up to expose the line, and more buttons here. Just pop them off. And that frees up the regulator. Okay. You do the same thing on this side. With the gauge, pop the buttons, and another button down here, and then you simply just squeeze the little webbing up here, and that'll take off the shoulder gauge, and that comes loose also. We got that far. Now we move down to the bottom here. So we got the waist pad. With the waist pad, you got a button here. That's directional. So you stick your finger in, pop it up, and it pops off like that. And you can pull the strap out through here. At the bottom here, you also have a T-bar. You lift up, turn, and that loosens that up. And now you'll have the whole waist strap available to you once you get the shoulder straps off. You get the shoulder straps off, simply up and through, bring it back down. One shoulder strap, so this one is done. Take the other shoulder strap off. Once that's done, this whole section is now disassembled, so it can go in a bag to be washed. Alright, we got our waist pad here. We got our little waist straps, so you can take that off. Pull it through. Alright, now we got our eaves hose at the bottom here. Pull that up. That's loose. Move our regulator. Then we have our whole waist strap all set ready to go. So you take the strap, pull it through here. Alright, strap is through. You come to the back side. You pull all these through. one. Okay, take the second one off. The second one's a little bit harder because you have more stuff here. You have to actually get it through, and when you put it back together, you'll realize that there's a little bit more of a pain in the neck to get back through. All right, so we got that taken care of. So our eaves hose comes out. There's another little strap in here. Then we're all set. So as of right now, we have our disassembled SCBA harness. And like I said, they both they come with two sets, so we can actually grab another set and just put it right back together, all ready to go. And once you're done with that, you put this all in the bag, and it goes right into the laundry machine and clean. So that's how you take apart Scott's SCBA. I hope you found this informative, and I hope you can use this to learn. Thank you for your time.